This is how to put cash on your Cash App card. First thing you want to do is head on over to the App Store. Make sure to search for Cash App and make sure the Cash App is updated and installed. Once you have the Cash App updated and ready to launch, just go ahead and open it up. Once you have the app loaded up and ready to use, when you signed in and everything, we're going to go on the bottom left to our money. Once you do that, we're going to scroll all the way down to where it says more ways to add money. And we're going to click on the third option. It should be called deposit paper money. Let's find a nearby retailer. All right, in order to use this, you will have to share your location with Cash App. Once you've done that, it'll start showing you places around your area like Dollar Generals and Speedways and maybe Walmarts, whatever. You're going to choose any one of these locations. You're going to press on it. And here it'll come up with a few options, directions to show barcode and copy the address. Now, what you're going to want to do in order to add physical paper money into your Cash App card, you're going to go to this place and go up to the cashier or register and ask if you can show them a barcode to add this physical cash to your Cash App. Once you go in, you're going to press show barcode right here, and you're going to give the cashier this barcode, and they should be able to scan it. You give them the paper money, and they will add that into your Cash App card. Now, keep in mind, barcodes, when you press on it, it will expire in 2 to 3 minutes once you press on it. So make sure you're right there in front of them, and when they ask for the barcode, have it set and ready and press the button so you can show them it right away. That is how to put cash on your Cash App card.